So guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this Boya I have recently ordered from Amazon, and it's kind of a microphone which can be helpful guys for you. So today I'm going to do the unboxing for this video. Please stay tuned. Let's do the quick unboxing guys. So I have get this, and let's see what comes in the box. So guys, as you can see, this is a Boya mic. So guys, it's the model number is BY-MI, and it says it has a super sound for presentation and video recording. So guys, I am going to continue with this Boya, and let's see how it works. And over here you can see all the specification was given, but there is a sticker which has been pasted by Amazon. I'll just remove it. So here we go guys. As you can see it, the features about this microphone, which says it's a clip-on mic for smartphone, a DSLR camcorders, audio recorders, and also for PC, etc. Also the second one is Omni directional condenser microphone. The third one is high quality condenser, is a deal for video use, and also it has a low handling noise. So guys, it has a good feature. Also includes a lapel clip which contains LR44 battery, foam windscreen, and it has 1/4 of adapter. So guys, you can see the specification, and you can get the connector which is 3.5 mm, so you can also plug into your mobile if you're going to record this video. So let's open the box and just have a look what comes inside. Yeah, so guys, here you can see I'm going to open this and what comes inside. Yeah, so there are some Boya instruction manual given in there. The model number says BYM1 universal lever microphone. All the instructions are given, how to use it, and features, everything we'll keep aside. Also this is the, I believe it's a kind of a warranty card. Yeah, so right now I bought this with Amazon, and I'm going to get 1 year of warranty. So yeah, nothing is there in this box. Okay, so a nice thing about the Boya is which comes with the packet which has a leather finishing. Okay, so we'll just open it, and what comes inside we'll just have a look. Keeping aside the microphone, we also get kind of things. What is there inside? Yeah, that's it. So guys, you can see nothing is there inside. Now we are going to do this. I'm going to open it with this. I'll start it. Okay, the good thing about this Boya is guys, you will be getting this wire which has 20 feet length, which is really good, really appreciate with Boya guys. And about this microphone guys, you can see it's very good. It's quite heavier at the side as well guys. And over here you can see guys, the options are given. It kind of in camera, on, off, and smartphone. So it's very wonderful. Over here the mic has been given to you guys, as you can see. Nice. I believe you can see guys. Yeah, so here we go sir. So this is the mic which has been given. Apart from that guys, it has a very good length, 20 feet cable, I mean a wire given to you. And here is a tag of a Boya wherein you can attach the wire. Also this is the 3.5 mm audio jack has been given to you guys, which is gold plated. Also apart from that, I will open the wrapper. Yeah, so I'll just keep this aside. So guys, coming back to the wrapper, you will be getting kind of this mic tool which you can use it to get a softer voice. I'm going to install it properly. Have been given, this is the audio jack kind of thing guys, but you can connect your any kind of instruments, guys, like if you have any kind of amplifier or anything, guys, so it kind of a connector which has been given to you. This is the plus point, so you can connect your 3.5 mm to this. This is how it is. So I'll also keep this aside, and this is a clip given to you, guys. So this is how the clip look like, guys. You can see, so you can place it on your shirt or a t-shirt, whatever you're wearing it. And this is the thing where you can just place, I believe, hold your mic, I believe. Yeah, so here we go, guys. So guys, I can see the clip I have already attached to this microphone, and you can just wherever you want to place this clip, you can clip it properly. This is how it works. All right, so guys, one more thing. Yeah, so this is how, this is what we get inside this package. Also one more thing is missing, which is the battery, guys. You have to install the battery. I don't know whether it is installed in this one or not, but let's open and have a look. Yeah, so here we go, guys. There is I believe no battery inside this. So what we are going to do is, guys, we are going to install it. There's something inside, I believe, kind of a cotton. I'll just remove that. Yeah. Alright, so guys, I have already removed this kind of cotton, and what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to install it properly. Just have a look, guys. It's kind of a negative and positive, and then only install it properly. This is how you have to keep it. Once you are done with this, guys, yeah, so install it properly and again tight it. Yeah, so guys, I have already installed it properly, the battery, and I'm going to check whether it's going to on or not. Yeah, so I haven't plugged in, guys, anything inside this. So yeah, so there are a number of 3 options, I believe. The center one I haven't checked it, guys, so this is the first time I bought it. I'm going to use it for a month or 2 days, and definitely I'll get back to you with the audio quality, how does it sounds and everything. So guys, thank you for watching. Like KRV, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.